Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 3D device after unboxing on the day one. Yes, when just now I did do the unboxing of the Realme GT Neo 3T device and which has got the Snapdragon 870 processor, as you can see on the details about the processor and RAM. So this is the 8GB RAM version which I'm trying to use, and right now I did not enable any kind of RAM expansion. As you can see, RAM expansion is not enabled yet, and without using any kind of RAM expansion, let's see what's the benchmark score we can actually expect in this device. And right now I'm not using any GT mode, so no GT mode is used. Without using GT mode and without any kind of RAM expansion, let's do the benchmark test and let's find out how much high scores we can expect in this device. Next time I'll try to use with the RAM expansion of the 5GB and then even GT mode as well. Later on we can discuss, but right now all the apps are completely clear from the background. RAM management, as you can see, everything is pretty clear. And let's start the Antutu benchmark test, and let's click, and it is the real-time temperature. You can see how much temperature in the beginning it is, and we'll try to observe the temperatures, what's going on in the Realme GT Neo 3D device. So again, I'll be back after some time again to check the temperatures in this device. And meanwhile, let me know in the comment section below what are the videos you want me to upload on the Realme GT Neo 3D device. I'll definitely do my best to upload the videos as soon as possible. So again, I'll be back after some time just to check what's going on regarding the temperatures after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, after 74% regarding the Antutu benchmark test, you can see the temperatures did increase up to 34 degrees Celsius in the Realme GT Neo 3T. As you can see, this is a 3D device which I'm trying to use, and with the Snapdragon 870 processor. So definitely with the Snapdragon 870 processor, we won't be able to see much higher temperatures. So it will be always close to 35 degrees Celsius. Not only in this device, even in plenty of other Snapdragon 870 models, that's the same scenario. And let's see friends, what will be the high scores after unboxing and without using any kind of RAM expansion. We'll try to find out. These are day one of using the device. That's what the results are. And I'll be back after some time at the end of the benchmark test results. Then we'll try to see overall temperatures and the score, what's going on. I'll be back after some time. And finally, the temperatures did increase up to 36 and 37 degrees Celsius. And you can see the score did reach up to 7,24,000 after initial unboxing and without any GT mode. So no GT mode is used and no RAM expansion is used while performing this kind of testing, and straight out of the box. After unboxing, all I'm trying to do this kind of benchmark test, so which might give the clear idea what's going on without installing any kind of much applications at this moment. Pretty kind of new mobile phone right now. This is the score which I got on the day one. And you can see the battery dropped by around 4%. You can see 4% the battery dropped in this device. And thank you for watching this video. And next time I'll try to do the test using with the RAM expansion mode, and stay tuned for those videos as well in case if you're interested. And right now, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and follow my channel for more videos on the Realme GT Neo 3D device. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned and bye.